In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Gemini Assistant from home screen on your Android device. So as you can see, if I now try to activate my Google Assistant on my device over here, as you can see, there's Gemini and I can't possibly access Google Assistant, even though, as you can see on my home screen, I have it installed over there. So the way you can actually bypass that, remove Gemini Assistant and switch it back to normal Google Assistant, here's what you can do. So the first thing you have to do is go into Play Store, and in here you have to search for your Google Assistant. So Google Assistant, there we go. And then if nothing pops up, it means it's most likely integrated and installed onto your mobile device. However, if you can see it anywhere around here, you just want to click on it, install it or enable it, whatever it prompts you to do. Now, once you do that, this will still not fix the issue, it will just enable it in the background. So to actually switch from Gemini to Google Assistant, what you have to do is again launch up your Gemini Assistant by either triggering it with a voice command or holding down your button. So I'm gonna open it, and then you want to extend it so it opens up fully. There we go. And then what you have to do is simply click on your profile icon up here, top right, and from there you want to go to settings down below, which is this button over here. And in here, if you go down to the bottom, you can see, or here it says digital assistant from Google. You want to click on it, and in here you can choose between Gemini or Google Assistant. So right now Gemini is turned on, but I can switch it to Google Assistant by clicking on it and then clicking switch. And then when I go back to home screen and if I try to trigger it, as you can see, Google Assistant is now back. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.